So here's the tree we're cutting. We got the rope on it. We're going to try to drop it over here somewhere. It's probably going to land in this tree, and then we're going to tow it out over there with the rope or chain. Gonna do my face cut right here. Then I'm gonna bore into it, and then I'm gonna strip it off in the back, hopefully. All right, here you go, cameraman. She's already rolling. So all you gotta do is point over here.
She's rolling.
Yeah, she's already rolling.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull her down with the truck. Hopefully. Truck over here.
Do you want me to do it?
Hmm?
Do you want me to do it?
What? Drive the truck?
No.
Oh, shut it off? Yeah, go ahead, shut it off.